What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules?
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to create this look and this is the red bold lip makeup look which I'm going to do today. So if you want to know how I create this, please keep watching.
Whoa, and if I say it enough.
So first I will start by prepping my face, and I'm using this Olay moisturizing cream. Using this moisturizer, I'm taking this Wet n Wild primer, and this primer is from Wet n Wild and it gives smooth application of foundation. After applying it, it smoothens out your skin. Now for the foundation, I'm taking L'Oreal Trumi Match Foundation. This is the good foundation, guys. If you have dry skin like me and you want a dewy look and you don't really want that matte look on your face, then this is the good foundation, and I'm in the shade Golden Beige. So I'm taking this foundation, just 2 pumps, and I'm mixing it with a facial oil. This is the face serum oil which I use to give myself a radiant look, and I'm mixing it again with my foundation. After foundation, I'm using the concealer from Olay Girl, just to cancel out all the darkness I have around my eyes. After this concealer, I'm going to use a Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium to give some brightness under my eyes. Concealer also works as the base for applying eyeshadows, so do not forget to apply concealer, because it works as a perfect base for your eyeshadows. And also do not forget to set your under eyes, because it's equally important, otherwise your concealer is gonna crease, and we do not want that, because we want the perfect base for our eyeshadows. So after concealing, setting it is very important. So that is our next step. Now I'm going to set my concealer with a Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. This is in the shade medium, and I'll set it. I'll set my eyes with it. Now I'm again taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer just to hide all the acne I have, because recently I've got some bad acne on my face. I don't know why, and I need to hide them. And I'll take the same loose powder to set everything, but just a little amount, not much. After setting everything in place, I'll go with the eyes, and I'm taking this Wet n Wild palette in the shade Rose in the Air. This is the palette I'm going to use on my eyes today. And I'm taking this shade onto my crease and going to apply it all over. I'm taking this brush, this blending brush from Amazon, and taking that eyeshadow. Blend it until your harsh lines disappears. So keep blending the product onto your eyes and just make sure that there are no harsh lines. I'm taking the same shade to my other eye as well. So because we are doing red bold lip today for this look, so I really wanted to keep my eyes looking neutral and not going with any color, and just taking some browns and buffing it into my eyes. And whenever you're taking the eyeshadow on your blending brush, just tap off the excess first so that you don't end up taking too much on your eyelid. So just tap off the excess and then start blending it. I really want this area to pop out, so I'm taking the product and blending it nicely and taking it all along to the inner corner. So I'm done with my first eyeshadow. Now I'm taking a different palette, and this is L'Oreal Gold palette. And so just look at the palette. This is a beautiful palette, and I'm taking this shade to apply onto my eyelid, and I'm taking it on my finger. This is the color. You can see the eye. So this is how I have done it. Now the same thing I'm going to do with the other eyelid. I'm taking the beauty blender to wipe off the powder I used to set my under eyes, and after this, I'm again going to take that same brush from Amazon I used to blend my eyes. I'm taking that same color and just going to darken the outer area. Now with a small brush, I'm going to take the same shade, the same color. I'm going to apply on my lower lash line. I'm taking the highlighter to highlight the inner corner and my brow bone, and this is the highlighter from Wet n Wild in the shade Precious Petals. I took a small brush to apply the highlighter on my inner corner. Now for mascara, I'm taking this Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Mascara. So I'm done with eyes. Now if you want, you can go with kajal, and I'm a little confused like whether I should go for it or not. So I'm going to take a little on my waterline. So I'm done with eyes. Now I will move on to contouring. So for contouring, I'm taking Wet n Wild contouring palette, and this is in the shade Caramel Toffee, and I'm taking a brush to contour my cheeks, tap off the excess. Always blend your contour to the upward side, because otherwise your face is going to look droopy, and we want our face to look uplifted and not droopy. So always, contour with your brush in the upward motions like this. I'm going to do a little bit of nose contouring, so I'm taking a little brush from Amazon and now quickly moving on to the blush. I'm taking this blush from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Rose 30, and for the first time I'm using this blush. I'm taking a rounded blush, and so because I've used all the powder products like for contouring, for blush, so I'm going to mist myself first before applying highlighter, so that highlighter sits really well. And for highlighter, I'm taking the same highlighter I used for my eyes. Now for lipstick, the last step, I'm using this Maybelline lip liner, and this is in the shade Very Cherry, and I'm going to line my lips with it. And for the lipstick, I'm using Lakme Absolute lipstick infused with argan oil in the shade Crimson Silk. This is the beautiful red color. I just love this color. Look at this color. So this is the final look, guys, and I hope you like this look, you like this bold drip tutorial. And if you're going to create this look, then let me know in the comment section, and if you like this look, let me know that too in the comment section. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next. Bye.